They say that the Hausa people don't call the Igbo, say make they join them for the ongoing protest wey they do about hardship for inside Nigeria. No be small thing o. Na Hausa people don still come outside come talk say Tinubu disappoint them because they think say Tinubu fit make them happy, but as e be like this now, they don fed out. Hey, now I come say this one shock me o. They come say that Igbo people are celebrating the hardship and say that they are enjoying and they are willing to support Tinubu in next tenure. No be small thing. This dey happen, my wonderful people. However, they say the pastor wey prophesy say if they no give Peter Obi this presidency, say Nigeria go face a lot of things. Say that pastor don still come outside come talk again. However, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see there they bring updates back to back as e dey hot. My wonderful people, let's quickly jump into the matter wey we get for our hand today. I'm going to show you this video where this man, he say be Tinubu friend though, but as e be like this, nobody be friend again. Let's watch the video before we come back. Come watch how Igbo people take dey celebrate the hardship with their nkwobi and one bottle of beer.
Imagine that the naira is going to sell to the dollar at about 1,500. Did you ever imagine that cement is going to sell up to 10,000 naira in some part of Nigeria? Did you ever imagine that noodles is going to sell for what is sold today, tomatoes, sardine, and the rest of all of these essential commodities? A bag of rice has gone into a state that one will ever imagine in our lifetime.
Certainly, a lot of the things that we are seeing today are not conceivable a few years back. Yes, we know that the country was going down the drain, and we could see a lot of the problems.
So we could see that this was going to happen years back?
No, not as bad as it is at the moment. Certainly, the speed with which it has happened and the depth of the problems that we have found ourselves are not things that we had anticipated. Yes, we could see the problem. I remember as far back as 2007, well, actually 2005, 2007, there were signs. And I remember then I was the member of the PDP in the House of Representatives, and I did draw the attention of the chairman of our party, Chief Audobe then, that things are likely to get worse if policies do not change. And I specifically drew his attention to a book written by Robert Kaplan with the title, The Coming Anarchy. I did a review article of that, about 15 pages, which I also made available to him and I shared to some of our colleagues. And in that review article, I was myself shocked reading it nearly 15, 16, 17 years after. It is speaking to the issues that we are actually witnessing today. It's just like when the last regime took over in 2015, by 2016, it was clear that it did not have the capacity to deliver. But even then, we never expected that they would, do the level of pillage and, basically looting of the treasury, as it's becoming very clear at the moment. Similarly, we had expected that when this leadership or when the new government took over from Tinubu, we were expecting that he has around him expertise. And we were expecting that for him to have announced the removal of subsidy, he must have done a plan, something that will address the consequences of that. You don't take a policy without make a policy without looking at the consequences and preparing to cushion the effect of that. But apparently he did that without any preparation. And so what is happening at the moment is something that has been anticipated, but like I said, the extent to which it has come is something that is baffling. And I still think those in government, talking to them, they don't seem to even understand this reality. They seem to think that is somebody somewhere manipulating something.
So you think there is a disconnect?
I think so. Because you see,
from people around the president.
Yeah. If you want to know what is happening, talk to the, to the pastors and to the imams, because that's where poor people run to. They have easy access to these people, and they go to them normally, because when you are in this big trouble, you look for God, right? You sort of surrender more, because you have come to the end of your wits. You have nothing more to. And from these people, we have information that people are actually, some of them are eating dead meat. There are people who are feeding their families with dead meat because they have nothing.
Nigerians are pushed to the wall.
Exactly.
They've come to the wit end.
Exactly. So if they knew what is happening, they wouldn't be doing the kind of terrible thing they are doing.
Are you disappointed because you mentioned?
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, let's also watch the second video. How Igbo people they celebrate the hardship, say they are ready to vote Tinubu in next tenure.
So these men called me that I should come and drink. Yeah. They are flexing. They said they love Tinubu's government, and they say no Igbo man should join any protest.
Yes, sir.
It's way back time.
Yes.
If we want you before and you refuse to leave,
We shall stand. I am mandate. We shall stand. I am mandate. I am mandate. I am mandate. We shall stand.
good government good for you guys.
Yeah, my wonderful people, don't be smart, As you don't watch that video, welcome back. Let's also see what in the pastor, where Professor said that may they leave P2B or may they vote for P2B. They say no. Let's also listen for what in the pastor talk for this particular video.
When I was saying they should vote P2B, they thought P2B is my brother. That is why. We'll never start. Wallahi, dollar now is 1,005 baht. We will go to 2,005. Me, we will know. I'm not a boaster, I will tell you too. We will know between these three tribes who is the strongest. Check people, they kill how many million people. They still survive, spread all over the globe. They still build houses all over the globe. Show me one Yoruba man that built a house in Onitsha. No. You see, they talk truth in the pain.
That's true, sir.
They believe to be one Nigeria. You think you are frustrating the Easterners? No, na lie. Wallahi, the spirit where God give them and never see. You see now where dollar, they cost. Now Odogu then they make money. No, honestly.
That's true, sir.
There is one thing about the Easterners I can't explain. In the time of difficulty, they know how to stand and make way.
That is true, sir.
I will tell you the truth. I'm not saying because I'm from the East. Believe me. They take advantage of everything. So if you are not from the East, carry my spirit. Listen to me.
I hear you, Papa.
If you think dollar will come down, very soon, even said you'll be stealing your dollar.
Yeah, my wonderful people. As you don't watch now so it be. Let's also watch. Wetin come be the issue now who come they cry for inside the matter? Now the same people will sing a minioko, now our turn. Let's also watch the video and hear from them as well.
Nigeria of nowadays, we are suffering. People come on Gary, we can't buy Gary again. Gary has come as a cocaine. Food we can't buy. Rice we can't buy. We can't feed our child again. Even if you want to give your child food, you can't ask him that have you already eat? You say you can't tell him I should be the food. You can't tell him like you will ask him are you eat? Even look at our students now. They want to go do NECO. The NECO thing they want to do, there is no money. We don't have money to give us to do the NECO exam. No pro, no anything. All our child, we put something on their head to sell up and down so that we will get money to eat. Some people got motor, car, they use the car to carry passenger up and down. Because there is no money. To buy food is a problem. To buy clothes is a problem. To buy food is a problem. To get money is a problem. Another person carry rope to hang his neck and kill himself because of suffer. This suffer is too much.
As this one they happen, now they say that the Nigeria youth don't even took to the street for the place where they call Ibadan. Go they tell say may the end hardship and may everybody see food to eat. Let's also watch the video before we come back. Continue. The final answer to all this thing that is happening is good to be good. When you are pushing people, there are people where they push something there where they support them somewhere. Let me tell you people one thing. Nigeria knows that if Igbos leave this union, there's no be any name called Nigeria again. They know quite sure. Then you know that these people are very good in mathematics and calculative. Then why are you pushing them away from the money side of this government? Now, you see where we got ourselves. So use the right person for the right work. This is the answer. The second option is call for referendum and for roundtable for this country so that everybody will decide in faith. My people, share this video and make sure say you follow this page for more update as it dey hot.